Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own add yours template on the Instagram app. So here I'm already on Instagram and you can start by clicking on the your story to start creating the template. Here just select a photo that you want to use, or I'm going to just select one first. Now click on the sticker icon at the top, this one, and scroll down, and here you'll see there is add yours template. Click on that. So here you can add tags, gifs, or images. So I've already add images here. I'm going to just write, for example, go to Pinterest and search for. Okay, so this add yours template is currently trending on Instagram. Everyone is using it. For example, home. Okay, for example, like this, and after that just click on done, and here I'm going to put it in here. Then the add yours, you can also adjust the position like this. You can pin the tags, gif, or images to create the template. So I'm going to long press on the tags. Okay, tap to pin elements like tags, gif, or images. So here I'm going to tap the tags and the images. Now click on next at the top. If you want to edit it again, just click on tap to edit template. So after this, you can just share it to your story, and everyone can repost and add their own add yours. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.